Alright, I'm going to give another crack at load testing the Arduino AC supply, but this time I'm going to use this burden box. This is primarily used to imitate loads that exist on instrument transformers in substations. So let's give it a crack and we'll see how she goes. Alright, so we've got what, 2.5 VA. Look, the measurement's a little bit off because I've still got a little bit of calibrating to do on it, but it seems to hold true. Okay, that's about 7. Yeah, that's 7. So this will be 17. Yeah, see, it's starting to take its dive. Yeah, big dive. So let's try and bring it back up if we can. You see, I'm starting to think I have to match it with a better ratio transformer. See, that transformer is 12 to 240. Because I'm starting to think that you need to have your ratio pretty much bang on so the amp can deliver the full power at the right voltage. Still supplying the power, but the voltage is just dying. Yeah. See, without the right voltage, you're not going to get the right power. Okay, no, so it's virtually dying, so if I start to take off I might want to start to wind down because it's going to start to take off the volts. You see 100 volts straight away as soon as I started to drop. See, that's see, it's a big fail really. It's not the desired amount I wanted or anywhere near it. So I can either try a transformer, try a different amp, maybe the amp, maybe the transformer, don't know. So that was a bit of a fail. Next step, I guess, is probably try a different amp or transformer. Transformer is a bit harder to get for the the ratios that you want. So I'll probably have a crack at winding my own transformer and see how that goes. I have done something similar like that before. I do also have another amplifier. This old bad boy I got, that was actually made by the company I worked for about 35 years ago. So if it still works, I'll be surprised. But you know what, let's turn it on and give it a crack. So maybe in my next video you might see that working, or maybe the transformer.